Watch Spider-Man 2. Wind up spider toy. See? You can get that open? Okay, let's see. I want to see the ugly spider. Let's look at it. Come on. Let's see it. I want to see it. Oh, it's ugly. Let's see it. I can't see it. Come on. Show me. Show the audience and your mom. Okay, you're going to bring it over there. Bring it over. Oh, it's disgusting. But it can't see very well on the wrapper. Let's see. Let's look at it. Let's look at it. Wait. I want to see how ugly it is. Okay. It's got the, Okay. How do you wind it up? On the top. Alright, let's wind it up again. Do it a couple turns. Do it 2, 3 times. 1, 2. Do it again. Oh, that's pretty creepy. Well, what do you want to rate it? Look at that coming right at you. It looks pretty.
Looks pretty messy.
Ew. Yuck. Okay. So, alright. We don't need to do that. Okay, what do you want to rate the spider?
Alright.
No, let's rate the spider first. Let's rate the spider first, though. Well, first rate the spider, and then...
9 out of 1?
No, 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10. That's pretty creepy. Okay. Don't. Okay, I'm gonna sign you off. Okay, sign you off.
No, I didn't.